we have to find equation of a straight line which is passing through this point 3 comma minus 2, and it should be inclined at an angle 60 degrees to this line root 3x plus y equals to 1. If this line, whatever this line, this straight line L also intersects x-axis, then what is the equation of this line? Right, so we need to find out what is the equation of this L. Now this line, this L is passing through this point 3 comma minus 2. Very good. At the same time, it has to make 60 degrees angle with this line. Okay, if a line is something like this, then there are actually two lines that can make 60 degrees with that line, right? This could be 60 degrees, or this also could be 60 degrees, right? It could be this line or it could be this line, right? And now this should go through this point 3 comma minus 2. So let us try to find out what are these two lines. At the same time, we have root 3x plus y equals to 1. What does that mean? Y equals minus root 3x plus 1. What does that mean? The slope is minus root 3. What does that mean? Tan theta is minus root 3. That means this line theta is 120 degrees, right? This line is looking something like this, right? So tan theta is minus root 3 means either this angle is 60 degrees, or this angle is 120 degrees, or this angle is um, this is again 60 degrees. It looks something like this, right? So this line is making 60 degrees angle with x-axis, right? What does that mean? Another line which is making 60 degrees with this line should have should look something like this. Then this angle is 60 degrees. This is one option. Or directly parallel to x-axis. It should be parallel to x-axis, because x-axis is making 60 degrees with this line, right? Because the slope of this one is minus 60 degrees, right? So the slope of this line is minus 60 degrees. That means the line which is making 60 degrees with this line should make 60 degrees with x-axis, or should be parallel to x-axis. It looks like this. The given line root 3x plus y equals to 1 is looking like this. Now a line making 60 degrees can be either like this, that is this angle is 60 degrees, right? Or this angle is 60 degrees. We have two options. This is L1 and we have L2 also. L2 is also making 60 degrees on this side, and L1 is making 60 degrees on this side, right? And both lines obviously pass, we can make both lines pass through this point 3 comma minus 2. But here we are given one more condition. What is the condition? This line L has to intersect x-axis. What does that mean? The line parallel to x-axis, this L2 is not useful for us. We want to find out what is L1, right? What is L1? So what L1, if it is making 60 degrees here, obviously that means because this angle is anyway 60 degrees, right? And this angle is 60 degrees, so obviously this line L1 is making 60 degrees with x-axis, right? Basically the slope of this one, the slope of our required line is actually tan 60 degrees, which is nothing but root 3, right? So now we know the slope of this line, and we know this point 3 comma minus 2. We just need to find the equation of the line, that is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus y1. So y plus 2 equals to root 3 into x minus 3. So y minus root 3x plus 2 plus 3 root 3. Right. So this is the correct answer. Right, guys. So the given equation is making 120 degrees with x-axis, right? This is 60 and this is 120 degrees. That means a line making 60 degrees with this line, it could be like this, or it could be like this, because this line x-axis is also making 60 degrees, right? And this line, a line making 60 degrees with x-axis also will make 60 degrees with this line, right? We want to find out what is this line, right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.